Ahoy! First-time cruisers. Ready to set sail on an adventure of a lifetime? Whether you're dreaming of tropical islands, historic cities, or breathtaking landscapes, a cruise is your ticket to it all. Let's dive into everything you need to know to make your maiden voyage smooth sailing and utterly unforgettable. First things first, choosing the right cruise for you. If you're new to cruising, consider starting with a shorter itinerary, like a week-long Caribbean cruise. It's a great way to get a feel for life at sea without committing to a longer trip. Popular lines like Carnival Cruises and Royal Caribbean offer fantastic options with a mix of vibrant ports and plenty of onboard fun. First up, let's talk about value. If you're looking for a world cruise that offers incredible experiences without breaking the bank, look no further than MSC Cruises. Their world cruise takes you on a 119-day journey across 23 countries, including destinations like the stunning Maldives, vibrant Brazil, and the majestic fjords of Norway. MSC's blend of affordability and adventure makes it a top choice for savvy travelers. Now, if luxury is what you seek, the Regent Seven Seas cruises are second to none. Imagine a 132-night voyage that covers 6 continents and 66 ports of call. From the opulence of their suites to gourmet dining experiences curated by Michelin star chefs, every detail on a Regent cruise exudes sophistication and indulgence. Destinations like Bora Bora, the Great Barrier Reef, and Cape Town await you in unparalleled style. Certain countries have become firm favorites among cruisers. Italy's Amalfi Coast, Greece's idyllic islands, and Japan's historic ports are always high on the list. These destinations offer rich culture, delicious cuisine, and stunning scenery that captivate the hearts of travelers. For first-time cruisers, we've got some tips to ensure your maiden voyage is smooth sailing. First, consider the duration of your cruise. Start with a shorter itinerary, like a week-long Caribbean cruise, to get a feel for life at sea. Now, let's talk about what to pack. The key is versatility. Think layers to handle changing climates as you sail from one destination to another. Pack comfortable walking shoes for exploring ports, swimwear for the pool and beach days, and don't forget your formal wear for those elegant nights on board. And here's a tip. Bring a small day pack for excursions and keep essentials like sunscreen, a hat, and your camera handy. Don't forget a light jacket or sweater for cooler evenings and indoor areas. When you first board the ship, take some time to explore. Modern cruise ships are like floating resorts with so much to offer. Familiarize yourself with key locations like your cabin, dining areas, and the activity centers. Attend the safety drill. It's mandatory and crucial for your peace of mind. On board, there's something for everyone. If you're a foodie, you'll love the diverse dining options, from casual buffets to specialty restaurants. Indulge in a spa day, catch a Broadway-style show, or join in on fun activities like trivia contests and dance classes. For families, there are kids clubs, teen lounges, and plenty of activities to keep young cruisers entertained. Want to try something new? Many cruises offer unique classes and workshops. Learn to cook a new dish, take a wine tasting course, or join a yoga session on the deck. These experiences can add an extra layer of enjoyment to your trip. When you dock at a new port, it's time to immerse yourself in local cultures. Plan your excursions ahead of time, whether it's exploring ancient ruins, going on a wildlife safari, or simply relaxing on a pristine beach. Engage with the locals, try regional cuisine, and soak in the sights and sounds of each unique destination. Here are some popular destinations for first-time cruisers. The Caribbean. This is a classic choice for first-timers, offering stunning beaches, crystal-clear waters, and a variety of activities. Ports like Nassau in the Bahamas, Cozumel in Mexico, and St. Thomas in the U.S. Virgin Islands are must-sees. The Mediterranean. Rich in history and culture, this region lets you explore iconic cities like Barcelona, Rome, and Athens. Wander through ancient ruins, savor delicious cuisine, and soak up the vibrant local cultures. Alaska. For something completely different, an Alaskan cruise offers breathtaking natural beauty. Sail past glaciers, watch for whales, and explore charming frontier towns like Juneau and Skagway. Northern Europe. Cruise the Baltic Sea and visit grand cities like Stockholm, Copenhagen, and St. Petersburg. Experience majestic castles, stunning architecture, and rich history. Hawaii. Cruise from island to island, enjoying the lush landscapes, volcanic wonders, and unique Hawaiian culture. Ports like Honolulu, Maui, and Kauai offer endless adventure and relaxation. A little insider tip: book a mix of guided tours and time to explore on your own. Guided tours offer rich insights and can take you to must-see spots, while solo explorations let you discover hidden gems at your own pace. Evenings on a cruise ship are magical. Enjoy live music, comedy shows, or a movie under the stars. Take a stroll on the deck and breathe in the sea air. And if you're up for it, don't miss the themed parties and dance the night away. For couples, cruises offer romantic moments at every turn. Enjoy a sunset dinner on your private balcony, indulge in a couple's massage, or simply watch the stars together from the deck. These experiences can make your trip even more special. And now, for our bonus tip from the Top Tips travel team. Always build in extra time at the beginning and end of your cruise. Arriving a day early and staying a day later not only reduces stress but also gives you a chance to explore the embarkation and disembarkation cities. Plus, it adds a buffer in case of any travel delays. It's the perfect way to extend your adventure just a little bit longer. So there you have it, first-time cruises. Whether you're looking to relax, explore, or indulge, your first cruise promises to be a journey filled with excitement and discovery. Get ready to set sail and create unforgettable memories. Bon voyage!